Namaste everyone, welcome back to Jovi's. Welcome to the third episode of Homemade Detox Tea. We're back with another effective remedy, and this time we are just going to require 3 home ingredients. So first step, take a cup of water and add this into a kadai. Let's understand its ingredients. Number 1, it's ginger, good, and lemon. I'm very much sure you already have this available at home. First step, grate a piece of ginger and add it into a kadai. Then add 1 teaspoon of good, which is jaggery. Switch on the gas and keep this kadai over the gas. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Until then, let's understand the benefits of this detox tea. It relieves the patient from constipation, gases, fullness of abdomen, or bloating, abdominal pain. For those people who have recurrent cough, cold, fever, vomiting, or those have a earache, heart diseases, it's a great remedy for indigestion, abdominal pain again. It basically loosens the stools and is a great cardiotonic. Strain this liquid and squeeze half lemon into it. You can also avoid lemon if you want. It basically nourishes all the dhatus and relieves the patient from hiccups as well. You can take this on a regular basis. Do like and share this video further. Do share your views in the comment section, and until next time,